The COVID-19 pandemic has also led to the downfall of the global economy. Staying positive and showing empathy during these unpredictable and difficult times is also very important. Since the outbreak began, the shortage of masks worldwide has left many people vulnerable, and thus the Singaporean government has been distributing free masks over the past few months to its residents. Many people have also been giving free food to healthcare workers who have been spending day and night saving people's lives. In San Francisco, USA, 18 food pickup sites are opening at schools across the city. They will provide free lunch, breakfast and pantry items to all children 18 and younger. Some volunteers in the city of Stockholm had also done a great job by building a field hospital in a convention center having more than 1,000 beds and 100 rooms for intensive care patients. An elderly resident of Panchkula, town in the northern Indian state of Haryana, was in for a pleasant surprise when the police came knocking at his door and started singing "Happy Birthday to You." This left him stunned and touched and was extremely grateful by this act of kindness done by the police officers. And just like this way, being kind and loving during these tough times, we shall overcome this COVID pandemic one day.